Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through GoDocSign's new Notary feature. Now, if you're a notary and you're looking at getting into the RON industry, which is a remote online notarization, you probably found it in some areas very expensive for these platforms and paying, per transaction. And on top of that, every single additional seal and stamp is costing you something. So it's almost to the point where you feel like, can't even make money doing this, right? So a lot of times what happens is we end up relying on companies that bring us leads to use those remote online notarizations, and they end up taking the majority share of the earnings. For example, one will charge $25 and pay you $5, and then you'll have another that wants to do the loan process and pay you 85 or 90 when they're charging 250 to 350 to the lenders, right? So because they make it not affordable, or you have to really invest into that platform, it almost makes it where the average person who's running a notary doesn't want to even take the risk of investing in themselves to do remote online notarization. So in that thought, GoDocSign said, what could we do to make an affordable solution for every notary out there who's actually doing the work? And instead of putting them in a position where they become the employee, they could do what they're doing, which is they're business owners. So we thought about this in very intensely and figured out a solution to create our own notarization platform and software, since we already have eSign, signature platform, HTML, signature platform built in, which is cutting edge, state of the art. And on top of that, we also have the blockchain technology built into our software. So we are the first company that's an e-signature company that has a blockchain built in. The dashboard where you can actually just upload your documents and it goes right to the blockchain without no code or being a tech wizard, right? So it makes it very easy and convenient. So how affordable is this? So let's just scroll down and I'll show you exactly how affordable it is. Now keep in mind you can add your documents to the blockchain, and adding your documents to the blockchain gives you two advantages. One, it gives you the upsell opportunity and actually adds extra security to the documents of those who you're signing. So if they want a marriage certificate or something, notarized, you can add it to blockchain, or the title, you can have it, notarized and also add it to blockchain. So many different applications that you can use to add it to blockchain and charge an additional fee of $99, or even, get an advantage to get into a lender's, signing circle, because you can upload it to the blockchain and add that as an extra, bonus service for them. So what would this cost you to join our platform? So there's two options. One is $49 per month, and you get unlimited notarizations. There's no charge for transactions or extra seals. Or you could just go ahead and pick our one-time payment plan, which is a limited time lifetime offer for $299, and you get everything. Plus you get five users. So you could have a team of 5 who are working with you. So really cool feature, and you get all the remote online notarization features as well, with no extra fees for per transaction or stamps and seals. So that makes it a huge bonus. But let's dive in and see the pre-built landing pages that you get, the opportunity to use our own ads, our own ad copy to bring in customers, and a pre-built landing page with a link that brings in the leads right to your dashboard. Plus, you get all the pre-built emails to email your prospective buyers, charge them for the services, and then set up the whole process of the remote online notarization. So it's basically a done-for-you business, right? For either $49 a month or $299 one time. So let's dive in and I'll show you that landing page and how that process would work. So this is our landing page that talks to you a little bit about the service in general, which is pretty amazing, because you're not having to pay for all your transaction and seals. Number one, you can add it to blockchain, collect payments. It's international, also all 50 states it's accepted, and on top of that, it has so many benefits as far as training. You get to use our own ads, our pre-built ads for your Google ads, Facebook ads. So you don't have to be an expert in running ads. You can start bringing in business. But I wanted to show you the pre-built landing page. So this pre-built landing page is really cool because it gives you the opportunity to start your business immediately. Because one, you have our platform. Two, you have the landing page. And three, you have our whole ad structure to run ads. And four, you have an option to bring in those leads to your dashboard. So let's dive in and show you this landing page and see exactly how it works. So this is a pre-built landing page that you'd be getting, and it's pretty, pretty simple but very effective. And so we had our team design it and test it to make it very effective as far as lead generation. They can click here to schedule with you. They can look at the process, three simple process of how that works as far as signing up, getting their ID verified, and then signing the actual documents and what that looks like. They see the upfront cost of $25. Makes it very secure as far as the technology shows them what that security looks like. On top of that, adding the blockchain, where it's valid as far as usage wise in the 50 states in the US. A guarantee that you're going to walk them through the process and complete the transaction, which is a process that you would do. Estimated time is around 15 minutes to do the signing, and it gives them the option to go to schedule with you. So frequently asked questions, how to set up laptop or phone, and again, they can go ahead and schedule with you. Now, if they schedule with you, what are they going to see when they click on this link? They're going to go right to a pre-built URL that they can enter their information, upload their document, and that goes right to your dashboard and sends you an email notification. So you can go ahead and send them a pre-built email that we have and figure out what they're looking to do, and then you can send them pricing according to that. You can also give them an option to upsell or increase their security by using the blockchain feature. So let's look at what that URL looks like if they were to click on it. So if they were to click on that URL, this is what they would basically get. They'd be able to see your name on top or your business name, enter their name, email, phone number, address, city, state, zip code, and upload their documents. Now, once they did this, they're going to get an email. You're going to get an email, and now you can start working with them directly. You have the document that they want to get notarized. You have a form of information now that you can process with them and send them, hey, this is going to be $25 or the pricing, and all of that's pre-built in emails that you can you don't have to type nothing fancy, or just all this information right here in this URL gets automatically added to every email document that you send out. So makes it really easy for you to streamline the process, and our agreements allow you to give them a quote, and then if they accept and sign it, they automatically can get redirected to your payment link or method. So it makes it very easy and convenient for you to bring in your own business to GoDocSign and use our online notary feature. So hopefully this video is informative to show you the advantage of working with GoDocSign as far as a remote online notarization. If you haven't watched our other videos on how the RON process works, it's very easy. On average, takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete remote online notarization. And we look forward to you partnering with us and using GoDocSign's RON notarization feature to build your business.